Hello, welcome to Christmas Delight. My name is Eon John and I'm the singing chef. And today for you we're going to make a little holiday thing. It's kind of like a custard thing. And we call it, in England, it's called trifle. And basically it's just creme pâtissier that you layer with fruit and then you have jam on top. And then you put even more fruit on it. And it's just very, very nice things to eat. And we're going to make it in these two the nice jars that we've got here, and I've already layered the bottom with very, very good Guyanese pineapple, which is the best in the world, by the way. Right, what we've got here is a cup of ordinary milk, or you can use soy milk, almond milk, whatever. And then I've got about half a cup of coconut milk. We're gonna simmer this up. We're gonna bring it slightly to the boil, right? That will take about 2-3 minutes. In the meanwhile, we're going to make our creme pâtissier, right? The base for it. First of all, we add the eggs. Then, there's two egg yolks I've got there. And then, the sugar. Right. And we're going to add a little bit of, that's about a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We're going to beat that all together. This is a little bit, I say about 2 teaspoons of orange juice. At this point, now that we got like a nice mixture there, I'm going to add the cornstarch. That's about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, right? Add all that together, right? Now, if you're going to make custard, I will put that in there, right? But with creme pâtissier, that will come into here. And then basically you stir it and it's done. Now that looks like it's just about, look, see? It's just warm enough, right? So I'm just going to let it settle a little bit and slowly add it to this, because I don't want this thing to turn into scrambled eggs. Slowly, slowly. Right? Yeah, and as we do this, the milk is going to mix with that cornstarch, and it's going to get like a nice thickness. We'll leave that, let that cool for a little bit. So I put this back on the stove, and now look at that. I get a nice creme pâtissier, right? Soon as this happens, you got to keep it moving because you don't want this burning on the bottom, right? That's why I'm sweating, because you see it's hard work. Right, there we go. What we got here is a lovely creme pâtissier. See? See when it stays on the spoon like that? That's the thickness that you want, right? This is the type of filling that they do with a lot of different types of pastries. But today we're going to use it. We're just going to layer it in there with some fruit. We just let this cool for about 2 minutes or so. We've moved the creme and we put it in a little bowl here, and so now it's time to just start layering, right? So just put a little bit, enough just to loosely cover the top. See? Like that. I love doing this kind of stuff. All right, take a couple of cherries, right? 4 cherries. We're going to take some papaya, which I got like in little bits, and just put it around like this. Yeah. Get some from this side, and just put it around like this. There's no particular way that you have to do this, right? Just whatever suits you, yeah? Whatever your style is. Well, let's continue layering this baby. Some more. Yeah, yeah, look at that. You see, that's the fun about this type of dessert is the layers. Because when you go through that really nice sweet cream and then you got this lovely fruit there that you come onto, it's just wonderful. It's a delight, like Christmas delight. Last, we're going to put a few more of these on. You know, like I said, just however you want. However you want. Use your style. Right? Put this there. Right? Yeah, just move that on there. Some more cherries. Right? This is really delicious. I love doing this. And one, put some there, put one there, on it there. And I've got some honey, which I'm just gonna drip over, just on the side like that. All right, you see how it started taking shape now? All the spaces are getting filled. And just put a little bit there too. Don't need much, put a little bit more in there. This is a little bit sugar syrup. And then, I made some 5-finger jam yesterday. And I'm just going to put it over the top. It looks like a present, doesn't it? I love it. Right, and that's our finished, baby. Yes, and there we have it. Christmas trifle, right? And basically, this is creme pâtissier. Like you see where you got all the marbling with the fruits and the cream. And we finish it off on top with a piece of pineapple. This is just, it's a divine treat, this is. So guys, try this at home.